Travis with UTV window tint. Today I'm going to show you how to prep your spray bottle so you can install your window tint with the proper slip solution. So to make our slip solution, we're going to use Dawn. I prefer the actual Dawn brand. I've tried the cheaper brands. It doesn't seem like they slip on the glass as much. I prefer to mix that with this, and this is just the cheap baby shampoo. I got this at our local Pick and Save. We're up in Wisconsin. We have Pick and Saves. So what you'll need is a spray bottle, fresh water, and one of these two soaps, preferably both. But if you had to just pick one, Dawn would be perfect. So what the slip solution is it's going to be a mix of clean water. You need to get clean water for this. If your tap water is clean in the area you live in, that's perfect. If you want to go get distilled water, that's also perfect. Fill up your bottle with water. This is going to be used to spray on your glass, and then you're going to razor blade your glass, and this will be the solution you're going to use to razor blade your glass, and then you're going to spray your film and the glass to put onto the window. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix up this solution. So I got a little bit of water in here. You obviously want to fill this all the way up, but we're going to unscrew our trigger. If you're just going to use Dawn, I would maybe go 3 to 4 drops on this. So it's going to depend on how warm your climate is. The warmer the climate, the more soap you're going to need. So again, we're just going to do 1, 2, 3 drops. So these 3 drops mixed in with 32 ounces of water. And if you are going to do both, I suggest both. It seems as if the Dawn starts to break down after a little bit in the bottle. If you're going to do the install really fast, with what I mean by really fast is like an hour, Dawn's probably perfectly fine. If you have this laying around, whether it's Johnson & Johnson's or the knockoff version, just add 1 or 2 drops of this in. So there's a drop. So when you have your slip solution, this is going to allow you to position the film onto the glass. So you want enough soap in here that you can still slide the pattern around, up, down, left, right. But you don't want too much when you go to squeegee out the pattern, the tint on the glass, that it slips. So, you know, you're going to want to, it's kind of hard to describe because humidity and temperature plays such a role into this. If you're in Texas and it's 100 degrees and you're not in an air-conditioned shop, you're going to need way more soap than someone who's doing it at 32 degrees in the state of Wisconsin. So that's how you mix up your soap. Again, just a 32-ounce spray bottle, a regular trigger. Just make sure this is clean, not that you ran some chemical through it. And then Dawn dish soap, a couple drops, clean water. You probably need 2 spray bottles worth if you're doing like a Can-Am Defender or a Polaris Ranger. If you're doing a windshield on a machine, you'll need a little bit more water, but that's what you'll need. So this is a thorough talking about how to prep your slip solution. Check out the other videos. We'll have a tool video, and there's install videos on each machine also.